Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. Got another case for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and this case is made by TOCOL. It's a case with a kickstand, and it's got Magsafe as well. Let's go ahead and check it out and see what it's all about. Now, you can get this case from Amazon. You can see right here is the black case with translucent back, and I got a kickstand as well. And $18.99 on Prime. You can apply for a 20% discount as well. And you got a clear version, a gray version as well. It's upgraded full camera protection. We'll see what that's all about. But let's go ahead and check this case out. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get this, all right? All right, let's go ahead. This is the box right here. Pretty clean. Not much on there. It tells you a little bit about the case right there. All right, now it's got this tape on the front. All right, so we got that tape off. Let's pull this out. You got a little card inside right here. And then here's the case, all right? So nice design right there. Interesting design that I see already. You got the kickstand that's going up and down right there. You got a Magsafe right there. We see how that works. Pretty smooth. Everything's pretty level. Nothing protruding on the back. And you got the camera opening right there. Looks like you got some lip for the camera. And you got your openings. You got your open button here for your volume down rocker and your power button right there. Got a little bit of detail here on the case. And the corners don't seem to be bolted at all. But the case feels good. I think it's going to offer good protection. You got openings for the charging port, the speaker, and that S Pen right there. No branding or anything I see so far. So that's pretty good. Pretty clean case. All right, but it feels nice and smooth. Translucent back. Doesn't feel slippery. They've done a really good job with the translucent over the years. They first started using it, it was very slippery and powdery feeling. This is a semi-sturdy sides here. So we'll see how this fits on the device. But let's go ahead and get the device, put it inside, see how it looks. All right, here's the S25 Ultra. This case is pretty stiff, but this in okay, so that snapped on pretty good. And all the cases I've used so far fit really tight, so they're a little bit of a challenge getting them off. You can see everything lined up on the bottom right there, no problem. You can get to the S Pen, no problem there. Volume up and down rocker works, no problem. And you got a nice looking case on the back right there. You can see that right there. And the camera is covered, so it's not going to have any problem there. And you got a nice lip, but not too protrusive, so it doesn't feel too rough when you slide across. And this is not sharp, so that's good. I like that. I like the way this feels. So when I use a black case, I'll probably use this one. And the back looks really dark. I got the black phone, jet black, so that's why it looks that way. But this is the kickstand, and it's really sturdy, so it's not flimsy. Snaps in pretty good. So you can, now that didn't work too well. Let's see here. So the kickstand has got some issues here because this is as far as it goes back, and then you can see it's all right, but it does tilt a little bit that way. Now you can put it up this way and it holds up well, and I guess you can put it this way and it holds up as well also. But so this design is not the best because it doesn't go back far enough. If this went back a little bit more, you would have no problem. But you can see right now that this does have, because this under here, this corner is lifted up. You can see that right there. It's not totally flat because that kickstand flaw right there, all right? But still, it's a good case and it feels good in the hand, all right? So if you're looking for a dark case with the translucent back, this is nice. It's nice. It looks really good. I like the way it looks, all right? Now we're gonna check out wireless charge and see how that works. Here's a wireless charger. So you got the animation with a noun bar, so it does work there when it's laying down. Let's stand it up and see what happens there. So you pick up wireless charge there as well. Let's put it down this way and see what happens. Let's put it down on the side and see what happens there. All right, so it picked up wireless charge there as well, all right? Let's check out the Magsafe. All right, so I didn't get any charging. Oh, so it picked up charging right there. You can see that with the animation, and it picked up the. So this one fits pretty well. The magnet is pretty strong, all right, because this thing is holding. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so that was a quick look at the TOCOL Magsafe case with kickstand for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. It's the black version. Feels really good in the hand. Good looking case. Or if you're looking for a dark case for your phone that has these features, this is going to work for you, all right? I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Now, if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.